I'm Steve, and welcome back to the AI Beginner Academy podcast, the simple, friendly place to learn AI one clear lesson at a time. Today, we're continuing our mini-series on the future of AI. And in this episode, I want to give you something people ask for all the time. What's actually coming and when? Not the hype, not the fear, just a calm, grounded timeline. So, let's jump right into listener questions.
Listen to questions.
This week's listener question comes from Sarah. She asks, how fast is AI actually moving? And what should normal people expect over the next few years? Great question, because most of the fear around AI comes from uncertainty, not knowing what's realistic and what's just noise. Okay, here's part one of Sarah's question. This covers the next 12 months. This is the part nobody should be surprised by, because we're already seeing the early versions. 1. Smarter assistants. Think of tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok. These will become much more proactive. They'll summarize your documents automatically, suggest next steps, help you write emails, help you make decisions. This is not science fiction, it's product updates. 2. AI built into everything. Search, email, calendar, spreadsheets, Word, Chrome, Edge, phones, tablets, your car dashboard. Everything gets in AI mode. You won't download AI. It'll just be there. 3. Better voice interaction. Talking to your AI will feel like talking to a calm, helpful coworker. No more robotic delays. Better memory of your preferences. More human-like tone. You'll say, draft this, fix that, help me understand this. And it'll just happen. I also heard recently that Siri may soon be powered by Google's Gemini system. If that ends up being true, it would be a really big deal. 4. Automation of boring stuff. Not jobs, tasks. Things like filing forms, data entry, summarizing meetings, organizing files, creating drafts. The repetitive, time-sucking work starts to disappear. Here's a key message for all of you. The next 12 months won't feel scary. They'll feel convenient.
AI hot tip.
All right, here's your AI hot tip for this week. AI can't predict the future, but here's a hot tip that feels almost like it does. Instead of asking AI what's going to happen, ask it to simulate advice from your future self. It gives you perspective, not predictions. Try this prompt. Seriously, you have to try this at least once. Imagine you're me, 5 years in the future. What advice would you give me today? What comes back can feel uncannily personal, almost like you're hearing from a wiser, calmer, more experienced version of yourself. And here's the cool part. AI isn't predicting the future. It's not guessing what's coming. It's simulating your future perspective, the version of you who already learned the lessons you're still figuring out. And when you read what it gives you, it can hit surprisingly hard. You might get clarity you've been missing, priorities that suddenly make sense, a gentle nudge towards something you've been avoiding, next steps that feel obvious but only in hindsight. This little exercise feels like a shortcut to wisdom, not magic, not fortune-telling, just a smarter angle on your own thinking. It's one of the simplest ways to use AI to think ahead without pretending it can predict anything. So don't ask AI to tell you the future. Ask it to help you build a better one. Try it. You'll see what I mean.
Optimistic AI thought of the week.
All right, now to our final segment, Optimistic AI Thought of the Week. Here's something worth remembering. We're heading into a future where AI won't take away your value. It will unlock more of it. The next 1, 5, and 10 years aren't defined by job losses or runaway machines. They're defined by better tools, smarter workflows, and human creativity amplified at scale. AI isn't here to take your place. It's here to take away the barriers that were holding you back. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. If you'd like simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, including courses, tools, and helpful guides, you can explore more at AIBeginner.net and inside the AI Beginner Academy. Be sure to tune in to our next episode, where we'll take Sarah's question even further and break down what the next 3 to 5 years of AI actually look like, in plain English, without the hype. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next episode.